Figured while I was stopped, before I forget, I would air down. I always forget and then wonder why the trail's so rough. So Scout and I are out here in the New River Trail, just east of Table Mesa, which I think most people know, and it is really nice out here. It's maybe a 30-minute drive from Phoenix. It's not too bad, and we got here for the really early morning lights. Let me show you. We're just at the start of the trail. So far it's really pretty. There's only been a couple cows. I haven't seen any other people. It's very early on a Thursday, so I don't expect to run into any traffic. I am running into a little bit of traffic. But yeah, I'm excited to get out. Oh, I'm also shooting with my new camera, so it's been an experience trying to get used to that. It's a Nikon. I've never used a Nikon. I've used Fuji and Canon, so there's been a learning curve with that, but I'm excited. Well, I'm glad I had stopped, or was at least driving slow. I saw some more recent burn damage just off the side of the trail, and then I could smell a more intense smoke smell. Everything kind of smells smoky right now. There's a good wildfire up, I think in Apache Junction, somewhere further east than where we're at. But I looked over and there was actually like a smoldering tree on the ground. Luckily, I've got some extra water, so I went ahead and put that out, but that could have been bad. We don't need any more fires.
500 days since I've left town, and I don't remember why I drove away, knowing that I want you back someday. I'm tired of this single cab with a long bed, just a single man going nowhere.
Alright, well, rookie mistake. My drone ran out of battery, so I'm gonna go find it. Recovered. Recovered. Crisis averted.
I think too much. I wake up tired and terrified. Started feeling weak. You grind your teeth, can't hide your bloodshot eyes, talking in your sleep. Guess we're on a losing streak, but we're in good company. I feel better when you speak, 'cause you know the words to comfort me. Our car won't start, our weekend plans fall apart. Dagger to the heart, just when it gets...
I am hoping, since I set the drone up a little closer than I anticipated, that maybe I still got my shot. I hope I still got the shot that I was wanting to get before it ran out of juice and landed.
I feel better when you speak, 'cause you know the words to comfort me. Guess we're on a losing streak, but we're in good company. I feel better when you speak, 'cause you know the words to comfort me.
Alright, we stopped for a quick snack break. I think we're about halfway through. We're in this wash. But so far the trail's good. It kind of reminds me of Schneebly Hill in Sedona, where it isn't super technical, but it's pretty rocky. And yeah, I'm not an expert off-roader by any means. Yeah, I've got the Jeep, and the Gladiator is so capable. I don't really worry about, you know, what certain trails are like technically, but she is long, and I know that there are times where I need to be a little extra careful about tire placement, but I don't know if there's a whole lot that they can't handle, so that's really nice to have. Scout's definitely enjoying himself. He's running around over here somewhere. ready? Let's go. Come on, hop. Oh. Good job, baby. You ready? We did a really great obstacle and the drone was not filming, so I got a shot of the obstacle with the drone, and you'll have to believe me that I drove over it. Go Boy Scout. Yeah. So I am taking the first bypass I've ever taken. It's kind of hard to see, but that little rocky area is the hardest part of the trail. I know it doesn't look like much because it never looks like much on camera, but I'm by myself and I'm not stupid. So I'm gonna save that one for next time and do our little river wash bypass here. Alright guys, this is where I'm going to leave it. Like I said, it's really just a dirt road. Dirt road all the way back to the main road heading back into town. So I'm going to air up and call it a day. I'll see you guys on the next one.